to my channel. It is currently Sunday, and instead of taking a nap, I thought we could rebrand my life for 2025. I just think this trend is so funny going around. The first thing on our agenda is cleaning my room because I just have so many Christmas gifts sporadically scattered throughout my room, and so I want to get that all in order. I'm trying to cover up this area because it's quite messy. My desk corner is like the area in my room that always gets so trashed. And then we're gonna make our Pinterest board. I made this after church. It's so good. And as you guys can see, I did a lot of freckles today. I'm in my faux freckle era, so hopefully it makes me look a little bit tanner because I'm so pale. Because it's winter and I never see the sun. And for the first time today, I saw the sun for like 10 minutes and now it's going down. So I love living in the Midwest. I'm gonna probably use my phone camera and then switch to this sometimes. So if the quality fluctuates, you know why. I'm gonna back this up. Let's take this off. My other sheets are on my sister's bed and they need washed. So I'm just gonna put this one on for the night. Very well. Now it's time to tackle this. Let's move this first. Okay, everything just always accumulates here and I don't know how. Like, where do I put these? In a cute little jar or something. Okay, this area looks so much better. I just forgot that this was like Christmassy, but I feel like I kind of want to keep it. I think it looks so cute, and I know it kind of still looks cluttered, but I feel like it's together for me. Okay, I got these two new notebooks. This is a weekly 2025 planner I got from TJ Maxx, and then I just got this one actually from TikTok, and it's sermon notes. So I thought this would be so nice for 2025, specifically at church camp, because at the one I go to, we hear 3 sermons a day. So I cannot wait to use these in the new year, and I'm actually so excited to use this too. I definitely want to be better about writing everything down. And then I also am going to start using this. It's the Good Stewards by Hello Revival, and it has so many different things that you can do. You can budget, you can do all your expenses, kind of more financial, and I definitely want to use this too. So I thought I would show you guys that since we're at my desk. Okay, now I have to tackle putting all of my Christmas presents away, which most of them I'm just gonna be packing up in a month anyway. And so I'm just gonna put all of them in a pile, and it's just gonna have to be in a little corner in my room because I'm not packing yet. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna skip that part because it's just gonna be really boring. We're gonna make a prayer board. I'm gonna put on a worship playlist because that feels right. I'm gonna be finished for now, and then I'll probably add a bunch a little later on. We're gonna start from the very beginning. As you can see, I have a little picture of an apartment, and I will be moving in 2025. So obviously we're gonna be praying over the space. I can't wait to just be able to host friends and just have it as such a quiet and safe place for people. So I'm definitely praying over that and that the move goes so smoothly. Clear skin. Y'all, my skin has been growing through it so much the past couple of years, and I really want to work on my health and just trying to, you know, fix it from the inside out, if you will. So we're going to be glowing because we love Jesus and we're the light of the world. But also we're going to try to clear up some blockage that is happening. And then I have so many pictures of the Bible because we're going to grow closer with the Lord in 2025 in Jesus' name. That should be our goal every single year if you're a Christian. And if not, I highly encourage you to get in the Word because I promise you every single word is true, and it's the lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Can't do anything without Jesus, truly. I put a picture of like a guy and a girl, and I just think that's so cute because I'm gonna continue to pray for my future person. The Lord has not brought him to me yet, but once he does, I will be prepared because I have been in preparation praying. We're gonna be working out this year. I cannot wait. I really want to get more into Pilates. I do Form, the app, right now, and I really like it. I'm so weak. I didn't realize how weak I was until I started it, but I definitely want to be so much more consistent on it, and hopefully I will go to like an actual gym more often because I don't do that right now. So I put a picture of a car because my car has gone through it. Let me just tell you, it broke down the last trip I went on, and I'm just praying that the Lord provides. I believe that he can, and that's just a big prayer for me right now because I definitely think I need a new car before I move. So yeah, put a picture of like friends around the table. I seriously cannot wait to just have people at my own space and be able to host. Hosting is such a gift, and I really want to enhance that this year and host a lot more, have people over, be the inviter friend. So yeah, and then I just put like other little cutie pictures of girls because I really want to, you know, work on my relationships with my friends now, but also gain more relationships with people as I move into a new city, and I'm just really excited for that, and I'm gonna be praying. I put like a picture of a girl like chilling because I really do believe that we should live slow and we should live a life that is quiet, and so this is just a little reminder for me to slow down, Mackenzie, and live a quiet life. I put a little picture of a bride. I want to work on being the bride of Christ, and yeah, maybe the Lord's gonna bring me a boy in 2025. Who knows? Just more pictures of like walking and doing Pilates, all the things. I really want to get more into reading this year. Hopefully I can read a couple books a month. That's my goal. We're gonna try to do that because I just want to, you know, gain more knowledge, gain more wisdom. Yeah. I put a picture of a piano. I would love to learn how to play piano. That has been my goal for so long, and I really want to do that this year. So I'm gonna be praying that a piano gets provided, or like I figure out where to get one, and two, that I can learn quickly because I think that'd be so fun and a cute, quiet, quaint hobby. I put like photography, some film on here. I have a little business with my bestie. It's called Film Good Fruit. You guys can follow it on Instagram. I cannot wait to continue to grow it. Picture of a home decor. Just praying over literally all things in my life right now. So that's what I did. Oh, I also put a picture of a journal. I need to start journaling more, and I really was into like writing out my prayers at the beginning of the year, and I really want to be intentional about that because I love looking back and seeing like physical evidence of me praying for it, and then me being able to put that into like my life and be like, wow, the Lord like provided, and this was a prayer of my heart. The Lord is good. So that's basically all for my prayer board right now. I probably have so many different things that I could be praying for that I just have not like put a picture to, but yeah, right now I am actually going to order some new things. I got some gift cards for Christmas, and so we're gonna use some of those. And I also saw this girl post her makeup routine, and it looked so good. So I think I might order some things for that because I'm not even kidding, it looked amazing. And I definitely am not somebody who ever buys makeup other than like at the drugstore, and so I might do a little Sephora shopping, which could be fun. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm investing in my makeup and other things for 2025. Guys, we are all clean. I let my hair dry a little bit while I was hanging with my family, and now we're gonna put it up. so that it doesn't get in the way of my tanner. Okay. I'm gonna do whitening strips too. Okay, I'm using the Get Into the Lime Light 2 Hour Ultra Dark, and I'm actually gonna sleep in it. I don't know if you do the same, but I always sleep in my self tanner because I feel like it just works so much better, and then I rinse it off in the morning. Okay, I'll see you after. Can't really tell, it's gonna develop obviously over the next 2 hours, but I'm feeling good. Got our whitening strips in, all tanned up, ready for tomorrow, ready to go into the new year.